Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. So yes, you have seen the title today. I'm so much excited. I just ordered a GoPro Hero 8 from Amazon. I had a good deal on Amazon, so I ordered it. So I'll tell you why I ordered this camera. Before that, we'll take a look at what's there in the package. So let's get started. Let me open it up. So actually I got this package day before yesterday night. So I was occupied with my work, so I couldn't do this video. So I was waiting to shoot this video for unboxing it. Yes, time. Woo! So long time plan, guys, to get a GoPro. So this is how the box looks. So let's see what we have inside this. So I just ordered the camera alone. So I got this for 28,999. So almost it's 29,000. So recently we went for a Ooty ride. So one of my friend was using GoPro 8. So I was using my SJ Cam. So I ran out of battery on my SJ Cam. So I had to use my friend's GoPro 8. Trust me guys, the video output difference between both is like it's a world of difference, So this is a nice protective case in case since they are sending it in couriers, this safeguards the camera very well. 12 megapixel, supports 4K video, slow motion, hyper smooth 2.0, time wrap, 1080p live stream, live burst, super photo plus HDR, raw image. I think they have mentioned some voice controls over here. I'm not sure how it works. And 10-meter water resistance underwater, GPS tracking, rear touch screen. That's what is mentioned over here. Wow, it's always a nice feel to open a new package. That's what I told in my previous videos as well. It's so satisfying to open it. So the battery for the GoPro, and there is a curved mount and then a charger cable. It's a C-type charger cable, and then we got some booklets, unlimited storage, damaged camera replacement, no question asked. I think this is a promotion or something, I don't know. Just a procedure of how to use the camera, visualization. Chat with our experts. So if you have any questions, maybe I think you can visit the GoPro.com and the answers. Yep, couple of GoPro stickers. I don't think I'll be using it. Let's see if I can stick somewhere. And a huge booklet, which most of us don't read it. Safety instructions plus important product instructions. So that's it we got inside the box. So there's not much accessories in it, just the camera and then mount and the battery. So let me take it out from here. So this is it. So if you want to remove it from the mount, we just have to push this up and press it. That's actually good. So this is the camera. We have to insert the battery first. So this is a battery door where you have to insert the memory card as well as the battery. So let me take the memory card first. So I do have, this is my existing camera setup. I use an SJ7 Star. So I bought this on a gearbest.com website for around 9,500. It's almost 3 years since I started using it. It worked really well and it's still working, but the video quality, the quality is good, but the stabilization, right? So that's not up to the mark. So that's the reason I went for GoPro mainly. So you might ask why I didn't go for a Hero 9. Basically it's too costly, 45,000 since it's a new launch. So This one for 29,000 makes more sense because I used to do a lot of travel. In case if I lost the camera or break it, that's fine compared to the losing 45,000, right? So that's the main reason I went for this. So this door can be taken out. If you want to use an additional case for GoPro, you have to take this out. You just need to push it to an extent and then take it out. It will automatically come out. So let me insert the memory card first. Yep. So let me put in the battery. That's it. So don't think the camera is on now by seeing this. It's a film on it. You just have to remove it. Yes. So let me turn on the camera. So we have the power button on the side. It also has some more options. Shows GoPro, English. Yes. So you can see here, by using this GoPro, I agree to the terms and conditions available in GoPro. Okay, go through the terms and conditions on the website. I'm agreeing for now, which we usually do it. Capture the location where the videos and photos are taken. I don't want to capture the location. I'm turning it off. Install GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. Okay, so let me install GoPro app on my mobile. So I have installed GoPro on my mobile. So once I install, just give one connect to GoPro. You have to give some permissions. We found your GoPro. Connect. So now I have connected the GoPro to my mobile, so I can see the preview on my mobile itself. In case if I have connected to the helmet, if I have mounted the GoPro on helmet, if I want to see the preview, I can use this. This will be very handy. So you can see currently it's in standard video mode, 1080p, 60 frames per second in a wide angle. So you can do the customization on the phone itself. So you can change to photo mode, video mode, and then time wrap. So all in your mobile, which is a cool feature. So I'm not going to take much into the settings now. Let me show you the comparison between SJ7 Star versus GoPro Hero 8. So let me play you both the footages back to back. You will you'll visibly see the differences of the videos from both the cameras. So the main difference between the GoPro and SJCAM is the video clarity, stabilization, and the field of view. So you can see the output from the SJCAM over here. So if I look at the road, my speedometer will not be visible much, and if I look at the speedometer, the view from the road will be interrupted. So that's the main concern I have in my SJ7 Star. But if you see the same footage on the GoPro Hero 8, if you see here, you get an ample amount of like the angle, like almost it covers everything, right? So that's an advantage. Right from the speedometer to the sky is covered over here. So people who drive the super sports sports bike, you can get a better view angle when compared to the SJ7 Star. Of course, it's not fair to compare both because SJ7 Star costs around 9,000, whereas I got the GoPro for 29,000, almost 3 times costlier than the camera. But so yep. Hope you saw the unboxing video on the comparison between SJ7 Star and the GoPro Hero 8. So the main thing that I have to buy after this is the GoPro case and then adapter and a mic for vlogging setup. So I'm looking for those things. Once everything is purchased, I will make a video of how to mount the GoPro on your helmet with a proper vlogging setup. Stay tuned to my channel, subscribe and support. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.